It's not particularly flattering shot, is it? Hello, this is me. This is not my face. Go back a bit. Yeah, up here, camera. There we are. Wonderful. Right. Scrubbing the drill. I'm drinking the tea. That van is parked a bit over. You can't see it, but there's a van that's parked a bit over. That's only a nightmare for number 43 to park at. Scrubbing the drill. Oh, bit of red onion peel in here. This is. There we go. I feel like I've won something. A bit of red onion peel. That's a vegetable. It's a vegetable I haven't eaten. That's someone else has had a red onion. I don't use this drawer, this fresh fruit and veg drawer. I'll show you where my fruit and veg come from. Right. Introduce you my two little jugs or jars. This one's hidden vegetable, tomato and pasta sauce. Forgive me if that's coming out backwards, but that's what it is. And that's a pasta bake. So I just need to add cheese and pasta to that, and that's sorted. And this one I just need to add like a corn mint substitute, and oh, I've got some normal onions. I just remembered. So that's the normal onion skin colour next to the Fray Bentos pie. So yeah, just keep scrubbing that away. So yeah, this is fun. It's not fun for my eczema. My eczema, it's gonna give me hangovers. But it's fun. It's something to do. It's one way to spend your Friday night. Tip this out now. Right, I'm going to turn this off a little bit. I'm not sure that much. That's. I don't know what's more disturbing and all that. There we go. It's all clean. That excites me a lot, that does. But I'm damn happy with that, actually. Oh, there you go. A clean little drawer. Who needs a Friday night out when you can have clean drawers? Like legit, I'm so damn happy with that. I'm so happy. Right, there. Oh, no, this isn't my 5th cup of tea. No, it isn't 7 o'clock in the evening. I better put this in the bin actually.